Tired of your investment strategy feeling like a game of whack-a-mole, constantly reacting to market swings and racking up fees you barely understand? Do you ever wish your financial life could be more, set it and forget it, but still completely customized to you? For years, the world of investing has been dominated by traditional brokerages, the household names, the big banks, the platforms that have been around forever. And for many, they work just fine. But what if there was a better way? A way that combines the best of automated investing with the power of personalization, all while keeping your costs remarkably low? That's precisely the question M1 Finance set out to answer, and in doing so, they've carved out a unique space in the financial landscape. Today, we're diving deep into why M1 Finance isn't just another brokerage, but a compelling alternative that could fundamentally change how you manage your money, for the better. We're going to explore the core differences, the innovative features, and the tangible benefits that make M1 Finance stand out in a crowded market, particularly for long-term, goal-oriented investors. Let's start by acknowledging the giants: Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Vanguard. These are undoubtedly reputable institutions, offering a vast array of investment products, research tools, and in-person support. They cater to a broad spectrum of investors, from beginners to active traders. But their model, while effective for many, often comes with hidden complexities and a less integrated approach to your overall financial picture. Think of it like this: a traditional brokerage is a massive department store with every item imaginable, but you have to go searching for each piece individually. M1 Finance, on the other hand, is like a highly curated, personalized boutique, where everything works together seamlessly, designed to meet your specific needs. The foundational difference with M1 Finance lies in its revolutionary pie investing system. Imagine your investment portfolio not as a jumble of individual stocks and ETFs, but as a visual, customizable pie. Each slice of that pie represents a specific investment. It could be a single stock, an ETF, or even another pre-built pie of investments. You decide the percentage allocation for each slice, creating a portfolio that perfectly reflects your desired asset allocation, risk tolerance, and financial goals. This isn't just a pretty visual, it's a powerful automation engine. Once you've designed your pie, M1 Finance takes over. Every time you deposit new money, it's automatically invested into the underweight slices of your pie to bring your portfolio back to your target allocations. This is called dynamic rebalancing. Unlike traditional brokerages where you might have to manually calculate and execute trades to rebalance your portfolio, potentially incurring trading fees and even generating taxable events, M1 does it for you, intelligently and often without needing to sell existing assets. This is a massive win for long-term investors who want to maintain a disciplined approach without constant manual intervention. If you want to force a rebalance, there's even a one-click option to bring everything back to your desired percentages, although this might trigger taxable events. Now, let's talk about fees, a topic that can often be as murky as a swamp. Traditional brokerages, while often boasting commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, can still have a myriad of other charges. Think expense ratios on mutual funds, account maintenance fees, transfer fees, or even fees for certain types of customer service. M1 Finance operates on a fundamentally different, often more transparent, fee structure. For most users, especially those with over $10,000 invested or an active personal loan, M1 Finance offers commission-free investing and no management fees. For accounts under $10,000, there's a small monthly fee. This means more of your money stays invested and working for you, rather than being chipped away by various charges. Over the long term, even small differences in fees can translate into significant impacts on your portfolio's growth. Beyond the core investing platform, M1 Finance extends its integrated approach to other aspects of your financial life, blurring the lines between a brokerage and a comprehensive financial platform. Let's look at M1 Borrow. Traditional brokerages might offer margin loans, but M1 simplifies the process and often provides competitive rates. If you have $2,000 or more invested in an eligible brokerage account, you can typically borrow up to 50% of your portfolio's value at a low interest rate, without a separate application or credit check. This can be incredibly useful for unexpected expenses, consolidating high-interest debt, or even making a down payment, all without having to sell your investments and potentially incur capital gains taxes. It's a flexible line of credit secured by your portfolio, with no set repayment schedule, though interest accrues monthly. This integrated borrowing feature is a significant advantage over having separate investment and lending accounts. Then there's M1 Spend, which offers a high-yield cash account. While traditional brokerages are starting to offer higher interest rates on uninvested cash, M1's high-yield cash accounts are competitive, allowing your liquid funds to earn a respectable return. Some M1 Plus members can even earn cash back on qualified debit card purchases and benefit from ATM fee reimbursements. This further consolidates your financial life, allowing you to manage your investing, borrowing, and daily spending all within a single ecosystem. This is a stark contrast to traditional brokerages where you might have your investments with them, your checking account with a separate bank, and your loans with yet another institution, leading to fragmented financial management. For those who appreciate both simplicity and sophistication, M1 Finance strikes a powerful balance. While it's not designed for active day traders, it's incredibly powerful for long-term investors. You can choose from over 6,000 stocks and ETFs to build your custom pies. If you're newer to investing or prefer a more hands-off approach, M1 also offers expert pies, pre-built portfolios designed by M1's investment team, catering to various risk profiles, goals, and even socially responsible investing (SRI) strategies. These expert pies offer a fantastic starting point, and you still retain the ability to customize them if you wish. This blend of expert guidance and ultimate customization is a rare find. Another key advantage lies in M1's embrace of fractional shares. This means you can invest every single dollar you deposit, no matter how small. If you want to allocate 1% of your portfolio to a stock that costs hundreds or thousands of dollars per share, M1 makes it possible by buying a fraction of that share. Traditional brokerages often require you to buy full shares, which can make it difficult to fully diversify your portfolio with smaller amounts of money or to precisely achieve your target allocations. Fractional shares eliminate this barrier, allowing for true dollar cost averaging and precise portfolio construction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.